going to take it out of the presentation case. What makes this one special, and these were actually done on commission, the case is solid sterling silver, 925, hallmarked as such, and then with a heavy gold overlay. It also has a mechanical wind skeleton clock fitted into the case. The case has a mirror polished finish, so photos and videos making them a little challenging. There's a little button right here, and I'm going to press that. Focus on the bird. You can see the wonderful colors. So there's reds and blues and greens and yellows and golds. Very pretty bird. It's a very pretty box. Let's do it again from a slightly different angle. Again, I'll try to capture the iridescent nature of the hummingbird feathers. I'm going to pick this up. Let's see if I can do this. That's a little better light. The iridescent nature of hummingbird feathers present themselves differently depending upon your viewing angle and the light source.